Okay. You are from which city?
I am from Kathmandu, Nepal.
You are from Nepal. Yeah, welcome. Welcome from Nepal. Great to hear. Okay. Anybody can share yourself, like which city you are from and what you do, or you can chat in the chat box so that we can know each other in this 5-day journey. Hello. Hi, Kalpana. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Welcome. Okay. Kalpana, what you do? I'm Jaypreet from Bangalore. Okay. Jaypreet is from Bangalore. Rishikesh. Okay, Rishikesh is from, where are you from, Rishikesh? Okay, second year BA. Kalpana is studying second year BA. So can you share like what you want to accomplish, like what you want to achieve in 5 days, or what is your goal, and in that what you are committed that you will accomplish, so that I can support you, you accomplish in 5 days. Yeah, Ritika, you can tell me what you want to accomplish in 5 days. What practical results you want?
I want to conquer the fear of public speaking.
Okay, you want to conquer the fear of public speaking. Okay, so what do you think, is it possible in 5 days? Like from how long you are trying to do, like come out of from that?
Recently, I am trying to come out of this.
Okay, recently means like exactly how many days, like when you first thought?
Almost 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay, so what do you think, in 5 days you will conquer that or not? What do you think?
I will try my best.
Okay, great. So one thing is fear, like Ritika want freedom from fear. Anybody else you can share? So this will be a practical session, so I want you to come on video, speak, so that we can communicate, we can support each other, right? We are here to create some results in 5 days. Okay, results can't happen simply sitting, right? At least you can talk, I can support you to accomplish that. Hi Tarak.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me. I'm fine, how about you?
Yeah, I'm doing super, sir.
Yeah, tell me what you want to accomplish in 5 days.
Yeah, sir. Of course, I don't have a fear actually, but I would like to know some techniques to finish the session. Otherwise, how to make audience to be attentive towards our speech. And I'm here with the thought of in these 5 days, I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm with the thought that I'm going to spend at least daily half an hour, 1 hour with the people like my mind, like who wants to learn, right? So that's what I thought. So that's why I registered in this one, because for about almost it is a week. I think 5 days means almost a week. So in this week, I thought that so I'm going to spend with the people who are like me, who wants to learn, who want to change their lives. I am going to be with that people. So I decided that. So I'm here to learn something.
Okay, you want to learn something new, so that like you want to influence people, like you want to learn more about that, right? Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Like
Yes,
are
sir.
you
Yeah.
which profession you are in?
Yes, sir. I have completed my graduation. Still now, right now, I'm not pursuing anything. or from our 20 days, I am going to farming work. Like,
Mhm.
okay.
So can you
And this-
select one person you want to influence in 5 days?
no, sir, I don't have particular one person to influence. In the sense, I don't want influence in the sense, just for example, I've observed when I was giving speeches in schools or in recent days,
Hmm.
there were people who are putting a lot of interest. Of
Hmm.
course, by default, some people may put interest, but I
Hmm.
want to mostly, for example, if there are 10 people in a group, I want to at least 7 people to be attentive. Of course, there are 4 people till now. If I speak something, they will put attention, but I want to make 7 out of 10.
Okay.
And sir, I would like to answer one question just before you asked someone, some young girl. So
Hmm.
that is it possible to achieve in a 5 days? Sir, it's not, but I can say that we can learn something in this 5 days, sir, but we can't overcome it in only 5 days, because we need a consistency to overcome the fear or whatever. Whatever, if you want to crack, we need some consistency up to some long time.
So
That's
she
what I think.
like she want to speak in public. Okay, that result we will cause. Maybe she
Okay.
will not be expert in that, but she can start. Like the result, like
Yes, sir.
maybe
Definitely.
she can cause the result in like starting that.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Definitely it will be a place, but
right?
I
That
think,
like small that like we can take it small. Like only she will talk about one topic in 5 days, a
yeah,
small topic for
okay,
5 minutes with the in the public, right?
okay,
So
okay,
that practically we can do that in 5 days, and also we can see
okay,
like what fears she has, like what challenges. Every day we can see that, like how she will progress
yeah,
in
sir.
5 days. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Tarak. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Divya. Can you share Arshad? Anybody else want to share something? Or you can chat in the chat box, like in 5 days what results you want to accomplish.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
I'm Jayapreeti. I'm from Bangalore, sir.
Hi, Jaypreeti. You can call me Satish. It's fine. Okay.
Okay, Satish.
Yeah.
So in 5 days, I am looking forward. I lack self-confidence. I do not have confidence, and I have the same issue of talking in public. If
Hmm.
it is a small public, like a classroom or something, I can, but I want to participate in competitions and go to stages and perform well. So I want to learn public speaking, and I need to get confidence in myself. And also I lack focus. I do not know in which direction I have to go further in to achieve something. So I take any work, I do it halfway, I do it 3/4 way, and then I stop it there. I turn out to a different direction. I focus into a different direction after that. So I'm looking forward for that, and managing my times. I'm trying to do multiple things at in a day, because studies and then internships, I'm doing internships as well. So managing time is really difficult. So these are the 3 things that I'm looking forward to.
Okay. So can you share like what is your personality? Like persona, like
Personality as in, like, if I'm an introvert or an extrovert, or is it
what,
that kind?
how you see, like how you define yourself?
I'm more like an introvert person. It's very difficult for me to interact with people that I'm not aware of, like people that I don't know. I find it really difficult to have a conversation with them. I do not know like how to start a conversation, and I'm very bad at it. Like mostly like an introvert, it's very difficult for me to start. But if I start, and if I have a pushing force behind me, I can reach, I can make 100%. I have that thing in me. But I do not have that pushing force from within me. Like I can do it. That confidence is not there. That could take me to make that 100%.
Okay, you want to one thing like you is it a being an introvert, is it fine for you or is it bad, or like anything impacting, or like how you see that?
I'm fine with what I am, but at certain points, at certain situations, that the internships and all of that I'm doing, and the situation that I'm pushed into is like I have to make conversations with people, like for marketing and all. I have to talk to people for marketing the thing that I'm doing. Like if I'm marketing for an internship, I have to get people to do it, and I don't find it comfortable to go approach people and talk to them, because I lack confidence in myself. Like if
Okay.
people will judge me, that self-doubt, I have it on myself.
Okay. Okay. So one thing is fear, like Ritika told, fear. Okay, any kind of fear. Okay, and self-confidence, right? Jaya Preeti, like you want self-confidence and any other result you said?
I want to overcome self-doubt and focus on things. I want to get focused on things, like as to what next kind of a thing.
Okay, self-doubt. Okay. Self-doubt, self-confidence. Another one thing you said, focus, right? Being focused.
Yes, and time management also.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Anything else you want to share, Jaya?
No, nothing, Satish. As of now, nothing.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Anybody else? Arshad? Hi, Arshad.
Hi, Satish.
Yeah, hi.
My full name is Arshad Ali Abbasi, and I would like to share that I am a very, I can say, I lose my temper with ease. So I would like to control my anger, and I easily give up. So
Okay.
these are the two things that I would like to learn in these 5 days. Self.
Okay. Control anger. Control anger, and another thing you said, Arshad, can you hear
Habit
me?
of easily giving up.
Okay. Like what exactly you will give up easily?
Okay, for example, I have chosen a task, and if the task is not happening, so what I will do, I will choose not to continue with that task. I will easily leave it in between.
Hmm. Okay. Anything else? Ba Arshad, right?
Yes,
Am I
correct,
pronouncing right? Okay.
Sati.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Anybody else? Anybody else want to share something? Anybody in chat? If you don't want to come on camera, you can chat in the chat box, like what you want, like. Or you can share what kind of personality you have, like how it is impacting you or limiting you. Or you can say like what you want to accomplish. Okay, this will be a practical session, so I will be working with people so that you can come out of that. Okay, fine. Okay, I can understand, like we are strangers. Okay, so right now a few people not like don't want to share or something. It's fine, completely fine if you want to share or not. Okay, we have another 5 days, we can connect each other, we can speak more about our life or like what we want to accomplish. Okay, so we will start the session with like who want to work with me. You can raise your hand or you can speak. Yeah, hi Ritika, you want to work with me or anybody else? Like how you can disappear that?
Regarding what?
Yeah, you want to come out of that fear, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we will talk about that.
Okay.
Okay, so fear, right? Fear, just a minute.
Public speaking fear.
Okay, so fear. May- Maybe I will draw. So fear, like we will speak about fear. Okay, somebody not in mute, can you mute yourself? Yeah, fear, like you can share like fear of public speaking, right? Fear of speaking.
Yes.
Fear of speaking, maybe fear of speaking to stranger or fear of speaking in the public. Okay, maybe any kind of a fear. You can share anybody want to come out of the fear, any kind of fear you can share with me. So fear of failure, right? Fear of failure, maybe any kind of thing, right? So when you see fear, like whatever we are fearful, fear is a good or bad? Like what do you think, Ritika?
It is both.
Both, right? And fear is very good. It like it is not good, like not bad actually. Fear is very good. Why fear is very good? Because fear help us to survive, right?
Yeah.
Like why it is not good? Can you tell me why it is not good?
It make lack of confident. It
Mhm.
make us lack of confident.
Okay, so you're saying it may cause lack of confidence, right? So let's talk about fear, right? In that we see like I can clear this. Just a minute. So now, like in fear, two types of fears are there. One is real fear. Okay. One is imaginary fear. Okay. So true fear, can you give an example of true fear or real fear? Right? Ritika, can you share like what is the real fear?
Poor health.
Real fear, like practically, which is the real fear?
Poor health. I am saying poor health.
Poor health. Like health, like you are impacted by some health. So any impact on health, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the real fear, like anything can impact, or maybe corona. Because of that, if you get a fear, then the fear will help you to save yourself. Maybe taking the more precautions, right? And saving yourself. Okay. And you can do many things because of that fear. If you don't have fear, you will roam around and you can be get impacted by that, right? So fear is saving you and your life, like, right? So, and what is the imaginary fear? Can you give one example?
Might be overthinking of future, overthinking of
Right.
career.
Okay. Can you tell me public speaking is the imaginary fear or real fear?
Imaginary.
Right. It is not a real fear, right? Public speaking.
Yes.
Right. In public speaking, it is just an mind creates, like mind try to save yourself, save you, right? So, but here it is helping you. Here it is like fear is impacting you because you imagining that like it is a fear. Actually, fear is your friend. Okay, it will support you so that you survive well. Okay, so that you are safe, right? In public speaking is the imaginary fear that you created. Like, why you created that? Why you think like public speaking like is fearful?
Don't know,
what
might be due to lack of practice.
Okay.
সেখানে
Lack
মা
of, okay, lack of practice and
অ্যাপ্লাই করব
hello. Yeah, Ritika. One is lack of practice. Another thing.
Lack of confidence also.
Okay. So like
Lack
can I
of
give an example?
confidence.
okay, I want you to look at like what is stopping you? Fear is stopping you, or lack of confidence is stopping you, or you're not practicing. What is stopping you? What is making you fearful?
Combination of all.
Okay. So what do you say now? Like fear is not stopping you. This is the imaginary fear. It can't stop you, right? Or it can stop you. What do you think?
Pardon, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like speaking, if you go and if you don't have any practice, okay, I didn't practice today. Okay. I started randomly this class online. Okay, I'm good in offline coaching. I have practicing from 3 years. Okay, online, this is the first session I am taking. Okay, and also I don't have any PPT. I didn't prepare, right? So I am taking the session, right? For me, fear is because of lack of practice, it is not stopping me. But for you, it is stopping me. Why?
Don't know.
Right? Okay. So how you relate yourself, if you speak in public, what will happen? Like, can you tell me what will happen? Like right now you are speaking in public only because like people are there, right? How many people are there? More than 21 people are there,
Yeah.
right? Right. Right now you are speaking in the public, right?
Yes.
Now are you fearful?
Mostly fear comes when I do formal meetings, when I do presentation. This in informal session, I don't get much fear.
Mhm. Okay, what is the difference? Like here also people are there, 20 people, 21 people are there. Okay. In formal meetings also people will be there, right?
Yes, might be I have to present my presentation. I have to explain something related to some topic that
Mhm.
will lead me becoming panic.
Okay. So like what you want to speak in public? One or topic.
Just I want to get confident in talking in public speaking. That's all.
Mhm.
Whether it's formal or informal, any session, I just want to be little bit confident.
Okay. So you are saying why you are not speaking is because of like self-doubt, right?
Yeah.
And lack of preparation, right? Anything else?
That's all.
Okay. So I want you to practice tomorrow you can come with one topic for 1 minute. Okay. So now you know that public speaking, like if you speak in front of people, nobody will harm you or anything because it is online media now, right?
Yeah.
Right. If you have office meeting, anything you do in like online, right?
Yeah.
Right. Anything, any harm can happen because of you speak publicly. Any harm for you? Like in here, in real fear, there is an impact. If you don't take care, like you don't wear mask or you don't take care yourself, then your health can be impacted, right?
Yes.
Right. In here, if you speak publicly, anything can happen. What will happen? You speak, you don't have a preparation. Okay, you have a doubt, it's fine. Okay, if you speak, you don't know anything also, then also if you speak, what will happen? Maximum what can happen? People can say
People.
you are not prepared, prepare next time well,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right? Anything
Yeah.
else? Anything else people can say?
No, that's all.
That's all, right? So anything, any harm, it will impact you anymore? Anything like it for your body or something? No, right?
No.
Okay. Now, tomorrow, can you speak about one topic without preparation, without nothing? Can you speak?
Yes, I will tell you.
right now, you know, right? It is a imaginary fear, right? It is not real.
Yes.
Like if you speak, nothing will happen to your, nothing will harm you, right?
Yes.
So now you know that it will not harm you if you speak, if even though you don't have any expertise or something, right? You can
Yes.
talk about one topic that you know. Maybe you are not expert or you don't know much about it, but you can speak for 1 minute or 2 minutes, right?
Yes. Now or
So
tomorrow.
tomorrow you can speak. Okay. Now you look at like imaginary fears. How many you can list today? You can list the what and all fears you have. I want you to distinguish that, like separate that. Is it a real fear or is it a imaginary fear? Okay.
Okay.
I want you to list today. List all the real fears and imaginary fears.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can tell any other fears you have. If you have, you can tell me.
No other. I don't have any fear.
Okay. So we will speak about self-doubt, lack of preparation, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll talk about this topic. Okay. So today, like in fear, like many people will say, like, I want to accomplish in 5 days something, right? I have fear, some or the other, right? So you can, somebody else can talk now, or do you want to share anything else, Ritika?
Else nothing.
No, nothing, right? So so do the assignment, write down your real fears and imaginary fears, any fear. Okay.
Okay.
So list
Okay.
out, and tomorrow you will be speaking about one topic without any preparation. Okay. You will not prepare anything. You'll talk about one topic randomly, so that practically you are doing it. If you know it is an imaginary fear, there is no use if you don't practically do it, right?
Okay.
Okay. So today you can do this. Okay. If tomorrow we will practically how it will go, we will see that, and we will work on that. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Thank you,
Thank
Ritika.
you.
Because of you talking, it will make a huge difference in other people's lives also, right? Many people, they didn't share, or I want everybody to take on that. Like, what fear is stopping you to do anything, and is it real fear or imaginary fear? Okay, I want you to look and see. We will work further on that. Okay. Great,
Okay.
Ritika, thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else who want to work with me, like what fears you have? Tarak, do you want to work with me?
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hi.
sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I didn't get you what you asked me.
Like do you want to like what fears you have? So we are like we are inquiring, we are discovering here, like what are the real fears and what are the imaginary fears. Okay.
What I feel means, sir, right now I'm being on my terrace, sir. For example, if I can see a snake here, definitely I'm going to get scared. I'm going to run away from here. So that's
Yeah.
what I feel real fear, inbuilt fear or sensory fear.
Okay,
So if a
fear of
person is,
snake.
for
Okay.
example, if I would like to talk about my parents right now here. So if I think that Satish Shetty may mind me bad, if I thought like this, it will be imaginary fear. It is just like a creating imagination, native or whatever. So the fear mostly in case of publicity speaking or something else, we create actually. And what I feel of that fear is that just lack of not like a
Tarak,
practice.
Tarak, can you tell me practically what fears you have, like, so that it will help everybody? Any, like, what you see? One you saw real fear is fear of snake, right? It is very good. Fear will support you to save your life, right? Fear may bite you, something can happen, right? This is the real fear, so that it will help you, right? And what is the imaginary fear you have? Any imaginary fear in life? Practically you
Nothing,
can
sir.
look and see. Okay.
Nothing, sir. But I have little hesitation. That's it. I don't have a fear actually.
Hesitation, what, like hesitation about what?
It depends, sir. It depends actually. For example, I'm telling it's not exactly. For example, right now you're using headphones, right? If I like to say those are not nice, then I hesitate whether I should say or not. If I say Satish Shetty may feel something bad about it. If I don't say that, my intention may go waste. Something like that. It's not exactly fear. Sometimes just I'll give an example of that, but here and somewhere I have some hesitations. So
Right,
because of that,
like what is the source of hesitation? Why you hesitate?
yeah, it's
Because
yeah, sir. It depends upon.
like right now, let's work on this, like what people will think, right? Like there is a fear of what people will think, right? Hesitation is coming from where? What is the source of that? Is it like what
Yeah,
people will think? How, like it will not look good in front of people or something? That is the fear, right?
yeah, sir.
Is it imaginary or real? Fear of what people will think.
I don't feel it is like a fear, but I feel that it's not like comfortable one to the people. For example, if I say something about you in front of all the people, I think it won't be comfortable to you, sir. So that's what I feel actually.
Yeah, that is like your imagination. You don't know yet. Like if you say what will happen, you don't know, right? It is just a imagination, right?
Yeah.
Like like you are imagining that what people will think, right? Fear of what people will think make you hesitate, right?
Yeah, let it
When
be. It may be.
that fear of hesitation, like the fear of what people will think about me, is it look good or bad, right? If I say what will happen,
It is
right?
only some. It is only in some very few cases, sir, where in terms of relationships, not exactly about public speaking or about something, but somewhere else in relationships. That's it.
Yeah, fine. Any area you can take. In that there is a. So I want you to see like what exactly it is. Like hesitation is coming from fear of what people will think, or how what people will say about me, how people judge me or something, right?
Yeah, let it be, sir. Okay,
Right.
we will stick to this one.
No, you don't need to stick. I want you to inquire it. I don't want you to agree to
Yeah,
me.
sir. Mostly, yeah, I'm feeling it is like that only.
So I want
Mostly.
you to look in life, like what exactly stopping you. If you don't see what exactly stopping you, then you can't come, like you can't get the freedom from that.
Yes, sir. Of course, it's not a big problem to me, but uh, how can I say? To put in front of you to have an issue that I have said. Of course, it may be a problem in future, but I didn't face any problems with it actually.
Yeah, you maybe do not see it because of what are you working? You are working in agriculture, right?
Yeah, sir. It's yeah, agriculture.
Okay. So you don't see the impact right now. Maybe there will be impact because like when you hesitate, you
Right.
don't share your ideas with people, or you want whatever you want to do, right? So you have to think about like is there an impact because of this hesitation? Is it costing me anything? That you have to look and see. or maybe in relationship you want to share something, you will not share that
Okay.
with your loved ones.
Okay.
Okay, so it will, how it is impacting you, you have to see exactly what, like how it is impacting you practically.
Okay.
Okay, so then we will see. Okay, so list
Okay,
out,
sir.
like I want you to discover this, I don't want you to agree to me or disagree to me, you look and see.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you for sharing. Okay, anything else, Tarak, you want to talk about?
Uh, nothing, sir, right now.
Okay, and anybody else, Namrata?
But
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
sir,
yeah, tell me.
yeah, sir. Yeah, we have a 5 days of workshop, right, sir? So
Yes.
I think it will be most useful to every one of us if you provide some material like that, what you're teaching or the tips, what you're going to teach. If you give like some PDF format, at least even it is a 1 page or whatever. So I feel that it will be a great help to us.
PDF. So what happens, no, like PDFs I can give, books I can give, but what happens, no, many people like many people, like survey says, like 90% of people, they will take book or something, they will not read. Okay,
Sir, after the session, sir, after 5 weeks, for example, right now you're giving speech about self doubt. If you are giving tips or anything, how to overcome it, if you tell 10 points, we may remember 5 points itself, but rest of the 5 points we don't remember, most of the people. So if you
Okay.
give a PDF or some points, so that we can see when we get a doubt.
Yeah, fine, I will plan. Okay, I will make a note, so how I can give that, I will look and see. Okay, thank you for your
Okay, sir.
suggestion. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, Namrata, you raised your hand, right? You can unmute yourself and you can speak. Hi, Namrata, Monisha, somebody hand raised, like you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Anybody want to share anything? Nabil, Namrata, Dimple, Surendra Kumar, Pinky, Pavitra. Yeah, hi Nandini.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You can call me Satish.
No, sir. I wanna respect you.
Yeah, it's fine. like we are all human beings. I relate in that way.
But you are elder than me, sir.
Yeah, but if you if you consider we are all human beings, we are all equal, age or doesn't matter. Okay.
Sir, but
Fine. Fine. You can, however you are comfortable, you can speak.
okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Hi Nandini, tell me.
Sir, I have fear of fire.
Fear of fire.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like, is it good, no? Fear of fire, like how it is impacting you?
Sir, sometimes when we want to cook something, we can't cook, sir, because of that fear of fire.
Okay. So you can't cook, or we means like you, your all family, it is.
I mean, who have fear of fire, they can't cook.
Okay. Okay. Fear of fire,
Fire.
right? So I want you to like, is it a real or imaginary? What do you think?
Real fear, sir.
Yeah, it is real fear when it is impacting you or something, right?
Yes, sir.
Like while cooking, like how it can impact you?
Sir, or else while the power is off, we can't turn off the candle also, no, sir.
Mhm. Like if you turn on the candle, no, do you have fear to turn on
Yes, sir, I have
Turn.
fear of the matchstick also.
okay. Okay, what like fear to like like fear of candle, like you have fear of candle or and anything?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Fear of candle, fear of matchbox, you
Yes, sir.
have fear to touch the matchbox or what?
Yes, sir.
So if you have fear to touch matchbox, no, is it imaginary or is it real fear?
Sir, it's imaginary fear because I am scaring myself.
Right.
I'm not daring to touch. I'm not having the confidence to touch that.
Okay. So can you come on
So
video? Is it fine?
No, there's somewhat disturbance. So what? I'm turning off my video.
Okay. Okay. When you think about like matchbox or candle, what what will stop you? What fears you?
The brain will it will burn me like that.
Okay. So for today's session, just like we will work on that, like right now, just get that, is it a imaginary fear or real fear, right? If you take a like a matchbox, or if you take a candle, if you try to fire it, right?
Yes, sir.
Like if it is really impacting you, then it is a real fear. If it is not really impact you, then also you are fearful, it is a imaginary fear. You are clear on
Yes,
that,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to write down what and all fears you have. Is it real or imaginary for today?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow
Okay, sir.
we can work deeper on that, like how it started, or like
Okay, sir.
what is the source of that, right? In the way of being section, like in the personality section. Okay, how it is
Okay,
impacting,
sir.
we will go deeper and we can disappear that. Okay.
Sir, recordings are available or not, sir?
Recording will be available. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will share you the recording. So Tarak asked something, right? So
Yes, sir.
I think it will be better, like I will share the recording, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Any other fears, Nandini?
No, sir.
Okay. Like if you want to cook, or like how, like what you do practically when you want to cook, or like
Sir, I will cook without using fire, sir.
how?
Electricity, using electricity.
So electricity also was some kind of fire, right?
Sir, but it is not used by fire, no, sir. Physically, it is not used by fire, no, sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
And anything else? Any other fears you have?
No, sir.
Okay, fear to fire matchbox matches. All right. Matchbox, I will say. Okay. And another fear was fear to fire candle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And anything else? Any other fear you want to have a freedom?
No, sir.
Okay. So today, just start writing. Okay. Real fear and imaginary fear. List out that, and in the tomorrow or day after session, we will work deeply, like how you can disappear that fear.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome. Hi, anybody have any other questions? Anything you want to work on? You can share what you want to accomplish in 5 days, or we will work on that. Or if you have any fear or anything, you can share here. If you don't have anything, we will end the meeting today and we will meet tomorrow. Anybody want to share anything? Or if you want to chat, like you can message in the chat box if your network is low. Jaya Preeti shared fear of being judged. Jaya Preeti, can you hear me? Can you speak? Jaya Preeti. Maybe she has network issue. Fine. Fear of judging. Can somebody say like where it will come? Like is it a real fear or imaginary fear?
Imaginary fear.
Okay. Right. Fear of right. And anybody have any other fear? Anything? Nabil said fear of communicating, right? Fear of communicating. Can somebody say where it will come? Like, is it a real fear or imaginary fear? Ritika, anybody can say Nabil has a fear of communicating. Arkadeep want to achieve self-discipline, time management, public speaking. Okay. And Kalpana want to achieve self-control and surpass fear. Kalpana, what fear you have? So hello, I will stop the share screen. Hi, thank you. I will be ending this. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will end today's session for now. Okay, tomorrow we will work deeper on this. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, and also I want everybody to write down what real fear you experienced in your life, like and also see that is it a real fear or imaginary fear, and Also, like in 5 days, what you want to accomplish? Anybody not written at, like you can write down that specific results you want to accomplish in 5 days, and we will make sure that practically you accomplish this. So it will be a very practical session. I want everybody to come on video, or if you have network issue, at least come on audio. So be there fully so that you can accomplish like whatever you want to accomplish in 5 days, right? Or maybe somebody, you have a big dream, you want to start from now. In 5 days at least you can start, or you can at least achieve one step or two steps you can achieve. Okay, so thank you all for sharing. Your sharing will help all of them, all of us, to like how training can support them and support me, right? So thank you for sharing. So I want everybody to share, because your sharing may help many people. Because of your sharing, many people will come out of their fears or any issues. Okay, so I will support everybody to share and come out of all the fears. Okay, and have the freedom and create the life you love. Okay, thank you for joining us today. Okay, take care. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow exactly at 7 p.m. Be there at 7 p.m. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Bye, Arkadeep, Pavitra, Anil Kumar. Bye, Namrata. Bye, Tarak. Hi. Bye, Tarak. You can leave. Anil Kumar. Bye. Take care. Good night. Dimple. Good night. Arkadeep. Good night. Bye, guys. Take care.